You look up at a clear night sky filled with stars, but something feels off. The night is even more darker, the moon is gone. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal. The sky is still beautiful. The stars are still there. So your brain asks a simple question: does it even matter? The answer is unsettling, because by the time we start asking that question, within hours, something on Earth would already be changing. And here's the question you can't ignore. If the moon suddenly disappeared tonight, what would be the first thing on Earth to break? And could that one change quietly reshape life on the entire planet? So let's find out what would really happen if the moon suddenly disappeared. Before we go any further, there's something most people get wrong about the moon. It doesn't just make the night sky look nice, it affects the planet itself. So if the moon disappears, why does Earth react first, not the sky? Well, the first thing to collapse isn't what you think. When people imagine the moon vanishing, they expect something dramatic. But the first thing to break isn't the sky or the ground. It's Earth's natural rhythm. More specifically, the ocean. But why would water react before anything else on the planet? The answer is, every coastline on Earth follows a rhythm, and that rhythm exists because the moon is constantly pulling on the oceans. Its gravity moves trillions of tons of water around the planet, creating tides that shape coastlines, ecosystems, and even human activity. Now imagine that pull suddenly disappearing. Tides wouldn't completely vanish, but they would become much weaker. Some coastal areas would barely experience them at all. Many aquatic animals depend on this rhythm to migrate and survive. When that timing breaks, survival becomes harder. And while the oceans are trying to adjust, something even bigger is quietly shifting beneath our feet. Well, you see, Earth isn't perfectly upright. It's tilted at about 23.5 degrees, and that tilt is the reason we have seasons. The moon plays a huge role in keeping that tilt stable. It acts like a gravitational anchor, stopping Earth from slowly tipping too far in any direction. So why does the moon matter so much? It's because without it, Earth's tilt becomes unpredictable over long periods of time. And when that happens, seasons stop behaving the way we expect. Some regions experience extreme heat for longer stretches. Others face extended cold. Rainfall patterns shift, making survival harder for both nature and people. And while Earth struggles to stay balanced, another change begins, one that affects every living thing. For billions of years, the moon has been doing something subtle but powerful. It's been slowly slowing Earth's rotation. As the moon orbits, it gently steals energy from Earth's spin. That's why days have been getting longer, very slowly over geological time. If the moon vanished, that braking effect would stop. Earth wouldn't suddenly speed up, but it would stop slowing down. Days would become slightly shorter over time. Plants would struggle to sync their growth cycles. Animals would lose precise biological timing. Sleep patterns would slowly drift out of alignment. And nights? They'd feel different too, because without the moon, nights grow darker and less predictable. The sky looks emptier. Outdoor spaces feel unfamiliar. A presence that guided every night for thousands of years is suddenly gone. And by now, the answer is clear. If the moon suddenly disappeared, Earth wouldn't collapse overnight. But slowly, quietly, it would begin to reshape life on this planet. If this video made you look at the moon differently, comment "We love the moon" and hit that subscribe button for more interesting topics like this.